Alex Mac Reviews. So I got a 7-pin for this 2005 Ford for my dash cam, and what it is this 7-pin goes back to the factory harness there and then plugs into the mirror. So that's it right there. It goes from the mirror into the factory harness, but then has another little power cable for this USB to power your dash cam. And then from the driver's perspective, you don't really see it. You don't need a cable from here going all the way up. So very nifty. It was all right, so this is the cleanest solution that I could do with this. The camera has a very long USB hardwired into the camera, so I couldn't use the mini one that was included in the package. But once you have it set up like this and you have it tucked right behind the mirror, it really is seamless. It looks great. Great product.